Good morning children. Now we are going to see the subject maths. In the before class we saw the place value, how to place the tens value and ones value. In this class we are going to see the comparing the numbers more or less. More. Take page number 20. Children, take page number 20. See in that picture, sesame ball. Sesame ball means yellurunda is given here. Then this side gooseberry. Gooseberries means nellika. Periya nellika irukku illingala adha gooseberries. Sesame ball. This one is sesame ball. See, sesame ball. Picture is given there. Sesame. Sesame balls are less than gooseberries. Gooseberries means nellikai. Here gooseberries, this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. See here. This one is less. This one is more. உங்களுக்கு பார்த்த உடனே தெரியுது பாருங்க எது லெஸ்ஸா இருக்கு. sesame ball is less. This side you see gooseberries is more. Gooseberries are more. M-O-R-E, more than. T-H-A-N, more than sesame balls. Sesame balls. See here. This one is sesame balls. This one gooseberries. See here which one is less. Sesame ball is less. Sesame balls are less than gooseberries. இதை விட இது கம்மியா இருக்கு. See gooseberries 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 is there. This side 1 2 3 4 5 6 is there. This one 6 numbers, this one 12 numbers. Then which one is less? Sesame ball is less. Gooseberries is more. Sesame balls are less than gooseberries. இதை விட இது கம்மியா இருக்கு sesame balls. Now see this one is more because 12 is bigger number. 12 is more. So gooseberries are more than sesame balls. இதை விட இது அதிகமா இருக்கு. gooseberries வந்து sesame balls விட அதிகமா இருக்கு. 12 numbers இருக்கு. இதுல வந்து 6 numbers தான் இருக்கு. இதுதான் comparing the numbers. இதை வச்சு இதை நம்ம compare பண்ணும்போது 6 is less, 12 is more. More or less. Comparing the number, which one is more and which one is less. Understand children? This one is in page number 20. Take page number 20, then only you can understand. Now see, comparing the number of flowers. See here flower pot is given with the flowers this side. Here in a flower pot, this one is flower pot. In a flower pot 9 flower is there. How many flowers is there in this flower pot? One, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. See this side, you see. This side Count children, how many flower is there in this flower pot? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 5. See which one is more? 9 is more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 flower is more. This one only 5. Then 5 is less. 9 is greater than 5. 9 is greater. 9 is greater than 5. 5 விட 9 வந்து அதிகமாக இருக்கும். உங்களுக்கு பார்த்தாலே தெரியுது பாருங்க. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Less amount, less flower. Here more flower. So 9 is greater. 9 தான் பெருசு. இது 5 வந்து சின்னது. அப்போ 9 is greater than 5. இப்படி கூட சொல்லலாம் நம்ம. 5 is less. 5 is less than 9. 5 வந்து 9 விட கம்மியாக இருக்குது. லெஸ். இது வந்து கம்மியாக இருக்குது. 9 is greater than 5. 9 வந்து அதிகமாக இருக்குது 5 விட. 5 வந்து 9 விட கம்மியாக இருக்குது. இப்படியும் நம்ம சொல்லலாம். 5 is less than 9. Two ways we can say. Now children, now you say which one is greater and which one is less. I am going to draw the flower now. You should say. See here. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 flower is there. Here you see. 1, 2, 3, 4. See which one is greater? Count and say. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Say children. Yes. 6 is greater than 4. 6 is greater. Greater means பெரிய number. 6 is greater than 4. Greater than. Then 4. 4 is less than 6. 4 is less. Less than 6. Comparing the number. This one only comparing the number. இதை வச்சு இதை நம்ம கம்பேர் பண்ணுறோம். இதை வச்சு இந்த நம்பரை வச்சு இதை நம்ம கம்பேர் பண்ணுறோம். 6 வந்து கிரேட்டராக இருக்குது 4 விட. 4 வந்து 6 விட கம்மியாக இருக்குது. லெஸ் தென். ஓகே. அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் சில்ட்ரன்? Comparing the number. Now we are going to see equal number. See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 flower is there. Here also 5 flower only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also 5. Then what we will say? Equal. What will we say? Equal. 5 is equal to 5. Then 5 is equal. 5 is equal to 5. Same number. ரெண்டுமே ஒரு நம்பர் தான். இதுவும் 5, இதுவும் 5. Then what will say? 5 is equal to 5. Understand children? This is only comparing the number. Take page number 21. 21 see. One bird is given here. We are going to compare. Yes, 6 bird is given. Okay. Count children. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Here also 6 only given. Then what will say? 6 is equal to 6. 6 is equal to 6. Same number. This side also 6. This side also 6. See, here also 6. Then what we will say? Is greater than, is less than, is equal to. What we will circulate? Say children, compare the number 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 1 2 3 4 5 6. So equal, both are same. So is greater than or is less than or is equal to, what will come? Same number only. Same number means equal. Is equal to. Understand children? The same way, see another one also. This one is example sum. Comparing the number. This one is called comparing the number. Here 5 bird is given. This side 6 is given. Is greater. Is greater than, is less than, is equal to. See, which is less? 5 is less or 6 is less? See here. Yeah, 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Here 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Compare the number. Which one is less? 5 or 6? Say children, 5 or 6? 5 is less. Okay, then what will come? Is greater than or is less than or is equal to. What will come children? 1 2 3 4 5. 5 is less only. So less than only will come. Okay children, next one. See here. Owl. How many owl is given? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 is given. This side only 4 is given. Which one is less? See, this side what will come? 8 will come in the box. This side 4 will come in the box. You see, is greater than, is less than, is less than or is equal. Equal to. What will come? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 is greater. 1 2 3 4 is less. So first you count this one. 8. So 8 is greater than 4. 8 is greater than 4. இது தான் அதிகமாக இருக்குது. அதிகமாக இருந்தால் greater is greater than 4. Understand children? Rest 1 2 3 is given. You do homework. 8 number is given, then 7 is given. 8 is what will come? 8 is greater than will come, or less than will come, or is equal to will come. You think and do that rest in homework. Now page number 22. Here 9 fruits is given here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This side 15 is given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 is given. See here. Here 9, here 15. Say children. Which one is greater? This one is greater. We can write like this also. 15 is greater. Is greater than 9. 15 வந்து நிறைய இருக்கு 9 விட. 15 is greater than 9. Okay children? Like this we are going to compare the number. See in the page number 22, here you are given 2 tens and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bead is given separately. Then 3 tens and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones is given separately. See here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This side you see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See here children. This one is 2 tens. 2 tens and ones. How many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. 5 ones. Then what will come? 25. 25. See here. Here 1, 2, 3 tens. 3 tens and 5 ones. $35. 3 tens. You see in the tens. 2 tens and 3 tens. We are going to compare the number. 25 is less. Is less than 35. 35 is greater. Is greater than 25. See here children. First you see the tens place. 2. Then here tens place. 3. Which one is less? 2 is less. Then 25 is less than 35. Like this also we can say. This one is greater number. 35 is greater. 35 is greater than 25. In two ways we can compare the number.